My name is Bam, and I'm 7 years old. That's 41 in human years. I've settled into middle age nicely. I don't need much, just my 4 o'clock kibble and a nice walk around the block. On certain occasions, I get a special treat, a ride in the car, and a walk at either the beach or in the woods. I wonder where I'm going today. I hope I'm going to the beach. The beach is my favorite place. Lots of things to smell and roll in, like dead fish and seaweed. Although, this usually means I get a bath when I come home. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Oh, it's the forest. Still good smells, but nothing cool to roll in. Except for raccoon poop, but I promised myself I'd never do that again. Old Stu gave me the evil eye. I was so ashamed. Hey, wait for me. That's mine. Whew! It's pretty hot out here. It's one drawback for this fur coat. I wonder if I should go for a swim. Looks pretty refreshing.